I'm Maxon. I'm 10 years old. I'm very muscly. I play rugby. I've got 2 arms, 2 legs, and 1 foot bigger than the other. I think my foot looks like an elephant's foot compared to the other one.
My name is Fiona Harve. I'm 6 and I've got curly hair and I've got green eyes and I've got Lymffoedema and I've got flip-flops and I've got strawberry dress and I like jumping and going in the park.
I'm Jenna. I'm 12 years old. My finger's all like puffy and swollen, and if you touch it, it's like feels really strange. I describe it as like Christmas tree lights. Like, you know when they're all jumbled up when you get them out of the box? It's like that.
I've got a book about lymphedema, and there's one picture about blood, which is like red, and there's one picture about lymph, which is just see-through like water. Lymph in your body fights infection.
If like we're playing a ball game, I have to strap it because if the ball hits it, then it's really painful.
You have to wear shoes all the time if you've got lymphedema in your feet. If I step in something sharp, my feet could get infected, and maybe I couldn't play like rugby anymore. I'm worried about getting cellulitis. It would make your feet swell up more, and
You have to go back to hospital because you banged yourself. So you need to wear slippers or shoes.
you have to wear special socks to control the swelling. When I was small, I didn't want to wear them, so my mum and my dad gave them a special name, Spider-Man socks, and then I started wearing them because I liked Spider-Man when I was young, and then I've worn them ever since.
But I don't, because I don't like wearing it because it's too tight. My mum said she wants me to wear it, but I don't want to wear it.
Doesn't bother me at all. My feet just feels a little bit tight when I'm putting shoes on, but then it's fine then.
Sometimes it's squidgy and sometimes it's like really hard. Like if it's snowy cold, then it's like rock solid, and if it's like normal cold, then it's not.
I have supper, then I have a bath, I get into my PJs, then we sit down on the couch, maybe watch a movie, then my mum puts cream on my feet, she wiggles my toes, and she pushes down and then smooths my feet. She does it for about 10 or 15 minutes every night. She's trying to get rid of the lymph. It's kind of relaxing, and sometimes I fall asleep.
I don't tell everyone about my lymphedema.
I normally like clench a fist and then put my sleeve over it. On Tuesdays, I wish it didn't hurt because I got gymnastics, and I really wanted to do gymnastics, but I can't because of it.
I don't like lymphedema because I want to take my trainers off when I do pee, and I don't like it. It does make me sad.
I've got one friend that understands what it's like. If you're getting bullied about it, just ignore what they're saying and go find your friends so they can like help you stand up to them. Just ignore them and just get on with your life.
Sometimes I feel quite proud that I've got lymphedema because I'm quite different than everyone else. When I tell my friends in school, they're just fascinated with the name more. They say like Symphedema or Safbwynt, and I say it's lymphedema. And then we just play then and have fun.
I have enough talking about it. Go to McDonald's. I've been working really hard with Kim and the man by there. Go to McDonald's now.